In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a tag in Zoho Mail. Tags are a simple but powerful way to keep your inbox organized. Instead of just relying on folders, you can apply tags to emails to group them by project, client, priority, or anything that makes sense for you. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step so you can start using tags confidently in your own Zoho Mail account. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoho Mail website. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account credentials. Once you're signed in, you should see your main inbox view, with your folders and other options on the left-hand side, your list of emails in the middle, and the content of any selected email on the right. Now look over to the left panel where you normally see your folders, such as inbox, sent, drafts, and any custom folders you might have created. In that same area, scroll down until you find the section labeled Tags. This is where Zoho Mail keeps all of the tags you've created, and it's also where you'll create new ones. Next to the word tags, you'll see a small plus sign icon. This is the button you'll use to add a new tag. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. When you do, a small window or field will appear, prompting you to enter the name of your new tag. Type in the tag name you want to use. Choose something clear and descriptive so that you'll immediately understand its purpose later. For example, you might use names like urgent, finance, team, or the name of a specific project. You can always create more tags later, so don't worry too much about getting it perfect the first time. Just pick a name that will help you quickly recognize what kind of email should have this tag. After typing in your desired tag name, look for the button labeled Save in that same window or field. Once you're happy with the name, click on Save. Zoho Mail will create the new tag and add it to the list under the Tag section in the left panel. You've now successfully created a tag in Zoho Mail. From here, you can start applying this tag to your emails to keep everything more organized and easier to find.